making a movie, Alex. Hello. We're going to the pool and Danielle's hi-hoing. Hi-ho. We should bet on the elevator and see who wins.
Left side.
I call middle. Down. Down. There we go. This one's mine. This one's mine. This one's Danielle's. This one's Alex's. We're so gonna win this.
Ready for it?
It's so this one.
Yes! I said this one.
What?
That was my elevator. What are you talking about?
Here? I'm like standing here recording them. Okay, we're going to the ground. Are we going to the ground level or the lobby?
There's a camera in here.
Guys, are we going to the ground level or lobby?
The lobby! Is there a camera?
Are you sure?
Yes. Is it really that big of a
No,
deal?
it's the ground level. It's ground
No,
level.
it's not.
Yes, it is.
Ground level, access to pool.
Yes.
I knew it. Can you guys read? Am I like the smart one in here or something? That's a funny thing. Huh, you're fine.
Hello. Oh, I'm taking a picture. Never mind. We're on the floor. Wait.